Hello there. For today's video, guys, I want to show you my fashion for today. My pink swimsuits, guys. I really love it. Pag napak yan siya, ayan, guys. Look, my pink swimsuit. I really love it, guys. Ayan. Ayan, parang model na naman ako, guys. I really love it. The pink swimsuits, guys. Ayan, ang ganda niya, guys. I really love it. Pack na pack siya, guys. Ayan, for only 250 pesos, guys. Ang ganda. I really love it. Ayan, pack na pack siya, guys. Talaga naman. Ayan. I really love it. One of my favorite color, guys, yung ating pink swimsuit. Ayan, guys. Ang ganda. Ang ganda niya, guys. Ayan. Ang ganda niya irampa, guys. O, diba? Pack na pack yan. Ayan, guys. High waist siya. Ayan, high waist yung ating swimsuit. Ayan. I really love it. Pack na pack. Ayan, guys. Ayan. Feeling model na naman ako, guys. Ayan. I really love it. Yung ating swimsuits na napakaganda. Ayan, guys. Sa murang halaga lang. Ayan, sa murang halaga lang siya, guys. Meron na naman akong pang-rampa. O, diba? I really love it. Ayan, I'm ready na, guys, sa aking fashion walk at sa aking pagbi-beach. Ayan, guys. Pack, 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 pack. Ayan, I really love it. The first time. So, I really love it. The first time.